Solve for x. Round the intermediate value to the nearest tenth and round the value for x to the nearest tenth. In our figure, we have one large triangle that is subdivided into two smaller triangles. We need to use a triangle that we know a side length and an angle measure, and we need to use the right triangle. So we'll start with this triangle on the left, and we'll use that triangle to find the length of this shared side with the triangle on the right. That will be our intermediate value. We'll just call it A. So if I use the 40-degree angle, A is the opposite and 44 is the hypotenuse, so I will use sine. Sine of 40 is equal to the opposite, which is A, over the hypotenuse, which is 44. We'll cross multiply. 44 sine of 40 is equal to A. So we'll enter that in our calculator. Make sure that we are in degree mode. So we'll do 44 sine of 40. And it asks us to round to the nearest tenth. So we'll do 28.3 since it was 28.28. Now that we know this length is about 28.3, we can use the 34-degree reference angle. The x is opposite and the 28.3 is the adjacent. So that means we now need to use the tangent function. So that's tan of 34 equals x, because it's the opposite, over 28.3, which is that value we found by doing sine. Now we'll cross multiply. So we get 28.3 tan of 34 is equal to x. We'll do 28.3 tan of 34 in our calculator, and we get x is approximately 19.1. That's been rounded to the nearest tenth because we really got 19.088, so we round it to 19.1.